All right, guys, here's the Expert Advisor. As you can see, this is the first trade. This is the second trade. This trade right here was today. This trade was yesterday. Now, the first trade, as you can see here, these two trades are manual trades that I took on the account. I really didn't try to use this account. But this 0.01 and 0.01, this is from yesterday. This is from today. Here you can see a loss on this trade. It lost 58 cents. Here you can see it won on this trade, $2.46. This stop loss is set to 5 pips. This take profit is set to 25 pips. All right. Now let's talk about where you guys could get this EA from and how it was created.
Yeah, Forex, stamps, market open, we finna from get the bottom, he made it, his plan's the best. You know we trading with stamps effects. Run up the price, then we land in a jet. Straight to the moon, no this ain't a game. Trading for real, no this ain't the same. Stands for a mill, come in exchange, yeah.
So in this video, we're going to talk about this new EA, and then I'm going to tell you guys where you can get the EA from for free and all the rest of the EAs that I'll be putting out going forward. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching the video and thank you all for subscribing to the video. This is my gift to all of my subscribers and YouTube fans and watchers. So anyway, what we're looking at here is the Stamps FX Power Hour EA. As you will notice that this EA trades once a day at a specific time. So for example, it opened the trade here and it opened the trade here. Only 2 trades so far, which is his first trade, which was a loss, and the second trade, which was a win. These 2 trades were manually placed manually, and you can see this trade was placed by the expert or the expert advisor. So it was this trade. So I wanted to keep this clean, but I did want to, after this loss, I wanted to beef the account up just a little bit. So I placed those 2 trades, these 2 trades, just to recover this 58-cent loss here. But it looks like I didn't need to do that because it actually came back and won here. Anyways, the way this works. All right, we'll talk about the way this works, and then we'll flip over to see, and I'll let you guys know how you can download and get this EA and what you would need to do to actually make it work. Because I did embed in this video a very important step to get the EA to work. All right, so you see this candlestick right here in the red. This is very simple. So this EA basically looks at this candle. If this candle is bearish or a negative candle, not negative, if it's a bearish candle, meaning if it opened up here and closed down here, then we would sell, then the opposite would be true. So if that candle is positive or bullish, we will buy. Now the reason we do that is because the 1700 hour, this period right up in here, is when momentum kind of shifts, and then we are going to just ride the wave of momentum on this candle. And you usually see that play out if you go back throughout the charts. You see this is the 16-hour candle here, and then momentum kind of carried it down a little bit before it reversed. Sometimes it doesn't reverse, but this particular hour right here, the power hour, is going up. It kind of rides momentum before it reverses. So what we did, just in case, this plays out more times than it doesn't in most instances. So what we did is we are only risking 5 pips. All right, and then the goal is to grab 25 pips. So we're only risking 5 to take 25. So that is a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 5, basically. So we're risking $1 to make $5, or we're risking $5 to make $25. I believe that's right. But anyway, what that plays out to is this. So let's just say we're trading with a standard lot. Actually, let's say we're trading with 10 standards. All right, $100 per pip. If you're trading with $100 per pip and you lose, then that's about 100 times 5. That's about $500 or so. We're not including commission or fees or anything like that. So that's about $500 that you would lose. Now, if you win a particular trade, that's 25 times 100, so that's $2,500. All right. So let's take the course of, let's just take 10 trading days. So if we took 10 trading days and we only won, let's say we only won twice. So that's 2,500 times 2. Out of 10 trading days, we only won 2 trades or twice. And let's say those other 8 days, we lost $500. So 8 times 500, this would be our losing amount over here. So we lost 8 trades, only won 2 trades, and we would still be up by $1,000. All right. Now you can see the power in only risking 5 pips to collect 25 pips for a particular strategy. Okay. Now when I tested this strategy, and I put this on the website, and we'll look at this in just a minute, the EA returned in the strategy tester about $243,000 since, I think it was the furthest it'll let me go back was November of 2000 and I believe 20 or 19. I'm not sure, but I went back as far as I could on the hourly chart, and that's the date the EA gave me. But that number was $243,000 in profit. So you can read about that on the website. We'll glance over there in just a minute. But let's just say we won 4 trades, just 4 trades out of 10. So 4 trades times 25,000 or 2,500. That's $10,000. In those other 6 trades, we lost. So 6 times 500. So $7,000. All right, $7,000 only winning 4 trades out of 10 days. So that's the power in this EA. Right now we are running this EA and testing this EA on a live account. We placed $25 in the account just as a test, and we are going to let it play out just to see what happens. If it works out really great, it do everything we expect it to do here, then maybe I'll put a larger amount in here and increase the lot size and test that out as well. Slowly creep the balance up. But this is the way it works. The 17-hour hit, and it places a trade in the appropriate direction. You see here, it got stopped out at 5 pips because it didn't go down quite 25 pips. Here, got in, went down our 25 pips, got out, actually went down about 31, 32 pips before reversing just a little bit. So where can you all get this EA, and what do you need to make this EA work? So real quick, this is the website I put together for you all, just StampsFX investments. So it's stampsfx.com. This is the website. As you look through here, you will notice that these are the different EAs that I'm going to create. This P-hour EA is the one we're looking at now. And then here, GBPUSD data collection. I'm going to post this video. The video you're watching will be in this section right here. And anything that you guys notice, any type of trends, any particular hour, I want you guys to post those comments under this video. And that video will be right here, but you're also watching the video. So just post a comment if you've noticed anything, or if you just have any questions, you can post a comment as well. But this just talks about the YouTube channel, and this is the disclaimer talking about only trade with money you can afford to lose, and how Forex is risky, and that you may lose your money, especially trading with an expert advisor, and that we're not responsible for any trading losses. So this is how you get to it. You just click P-hour up here, or you come here and click it. All right, and it should take you over to, okay, here's the page right here. Now this is what I was telling you about right here. The 234,000 actually was the total net profit, and then the absolute drawdown was $3,134. So this is just a strategy tester, when we tested the strategy out. This is a little bit of information about the strategy here: profit, strategy, risk, live testing, and then how our EAs are made. Of course, you all know how it's made. We use EA Builder, which is here. And this is the EA right here. Very, very simple. We send the order based on that 1600-hour candle or 16-hour candle. We send that order at 1700. We do give it like 3 seconds or whatever, but then we send that. So download below for free. There's really nothing to download. This is truly a copy and paste. So what you guys would do is you would come here and you would copy this code right here, all of this code, and then you just copy and paste it over into your meta editor. So let's say you do Control C to copy, come over here, and then do your Control A to select, or just highlight all of this and delete it, whatever's in there, and paste. But before you do that, of course, you guys know you would need to go to New to create a new Expert Advisor, next, and then the code that's in there, that base code, you copy it, remove it, paste this code there, and then you compile it. All right, and that's pretty much it. Now, to get this to work, you need to remove a line item in here that says, please remove, and it's right here. It says remove this entire line before use. So you just highlight this after you've pasted it into your meta editor. You would just highlight this line right here and hit delete. All right, and then hit compile, and it should work. So that is the EA. And again, thank you guys for watching the video. And again, I wanted to make this to give to you guys. I also wanted to let you all know that I will do another video. We'll just call it part 2, showing you guys how this EA played out. But for now, this is the EA. It is set to 0.01. That's the lot size, or 10 cents per pip. Also, very, very quickly, let me just show you how to edit or alter that real quick. Here's a stop loss pip. So inside the code, this just says stop loss 5 pips, take profit 25 pips. You can alter this if you want to. This break even pips does not really apply. I was playing around with a different break even, so I just left it here at 45 pips. It will never reach 45 pips to break even unless you increase this over 45 pips or decrease this lower than 25 pips. Because this is basically saying when the EA gets 45 pips in profit, set a stop loss to break even. Well, it'll never get to 45 pips if the take profit is 25 pips. So if you want to change this, I would recommend it. I did run this through the strategy tester to get these numbers right here, the 5 and the 25. All right, that's how I got those numbers. So we did do that there. Also, if you want to, let's see, if you want to increase the trade size, this is it right here. So you can increase this to 0.10 if you wanted to, as $1 per pip, or 10 standard lots, which is $100 per pip, which I highly recommend you do not do that, because you would probably lose all of your money. I would not be responsible, so don't do that. All right, so that is the EA Stamps FX Power Hour. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you all in the next video. And be sure to like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Peace.
No, this ain't the same. Stands for a meal, come in exchange, yeah.